Dutch for Beginners, Lesson 2. Let's start right away with learning new words and creating sentences with those words. All right, without further ado, let's start. Okay, problem. Problem in Dutch, probleem. Probleem. Very good. There is no problem. Er is geen probleem. Er is geen probleem. All right? So first, I'm saying it very slowly, and then the last sentence is more fluent, okay, on a normal speed. Let's continue. What? What? In Dutch, wat. Wat. Who? Wie. Wie. Where? Where? Waar. Waar. When? When? Wanneer. Wanneer. Very good. Very good. I work now. In Dutch. Ik werk nu. Ik werk nu. He does not work. He does not work. In Dutch. Hij werkt niet. Hij werkt niet. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? In Dutch. Wat wil je doen? Wat wil je doen? Very good. Do you want to work here? Wil je hier werken? Wil je hier werken? It does not work. All right, pay attention. This is a figurative meaning of the same word. Okay? It does not work. In Dutch. Het werkt niet. Het werkt niet. What's not working? Wat werkt er niet? Wat werkt er niet? Very good. All right. Let's continue. For in Dutch. For. For. So long sound. For. For. For me. For mij. For mij. This is for you. Dit is voor jou. Dit is voor jou. Okay, very good. Is this gift for me? Is dit cadeau voor mij? Is dit cadeau voor mij? No, for the neighbor. Nee, voor de buurman. Nee, voor de buurman. Pay attention in Dutch. It depends. A neighbor, it depends if it's a male or a female. If it's a male, we say buurman. All right. If it's a female, we'll say buurvrouw. All right. So pay attention to the difference. Okay. Very good. I can do this. I can do this. In Dutch, ik kan dit. Or ik kan dit doen. Okay, very good. Ik kan dit doen. Can you do that? Can you do that? Kan jij dat doen? Kan jij dat doen? Very good. No, I can't do this. Nee, ik kan dit niet doen. Nee, ik kan dit niet doen. Alright? So I omitted doen here. But for the sake of a literal translation, I added it in this recording. Okay. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Wat kan ik voor je doen? Wat kan ik voor je doen? Can you tell me what you see? Can you tell me what you see? Kun je mij vertellen wat je ziet? Kan je mij vertellen, or kun je mij vertellen wat je ziet? Alright. Very good. To see. To see. Zien. Zien. Can you see this? I'm sorry. Can you see it? Can you see it? Kan jij het zien? Kan jij het zien? Very good. What do you want to see? What do you want to see? Wat wil jij zien? Wat wil jij zien? Very good. All right, now a difficult word. The children see the sunset. The children see the sunset. In Dutch. De kinderen zien de zonsondergang. De kinderen zien de zonsondergang. Very good. And it looks good. And it looks good. En het ziet er goed uit. Or when we refer specifically to the sunset, we say and die. Die then refers to the sunset. En die ziet er goed uit. Very good. Let's continue. To say in Dutch. Zeggen. 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 Very good. Say it now. Say it now. Zeg het nu. Zeg het nu. I say good morning. I say good morning. Ik zeg goedemorgen. Ik zeg goedemorgen. You say little. Jij zegt weinig. Jij zegt weinig. So pay attention. The IG in the end, you can pronounce the I as a E. Right? In this word. So, not weinig, but weinig. Okay, E. Jij zegt weinig. Jij zegt weinig. You say little. He said, thank you. He said, thank you. Hij zei, bedankt. Hij zei, bedankt. We can also say, dankjewel. Dankjewel. Instead of bedankt. Okay? So we either say, hij zei, bedankt. Or we say, hij zei, dankjewel. Okay? Very good. Let's continue. Longer sentences. I don't have much time today. Okay? So we continue using the word weinig. Okay. So try figuring this one out, please, yourself. I don't have much time today. What could it be? Ik heb weinig tijd vandaag. Ik heb weinig tijd vandaag. Okay, very good. Besides, very important connector, or okay, in a sentence. Besides, I have little experience. Besides, I have little experience. In Dutch is bovendien heb ik weinig ervaring. Bovendien heb ik weinig ervaring. Bovendien heb ik weinig ervaring. Very good. We have little information. Okay, again, weinig. We have little information. What would it be in Dutch? We, or wij, okay, hebben weinig informatie. We hebben weinig informatie. You have little patience. You have little patience. Okay, in Dutch. Jullie hebben weinig geduld. Jullie hebben weinig geduld. Jullie hebben weinig geduld. Very good. She has little money. She has little money. Zij heeft weinig geld. Zij heeft weinig geld. Very good. Money, geld. Geld. He saves money. He saves money. We know what money means, all right? It's geld. So now, let's make the sentence. He saves money. Hij spaart geld. Hij spaart geld. She has enough money. Zij heeft genoeg geld. Zij heeft genoeg geld. So, enough, genoeg. Enough, genoeg. Very good. Money does not make you happy. Okay? Money does not make you happy. Geld maakt niet gelukkig. Geld maakt niet gelukkig. Of course, you can also say geld maakt je niet gelukkig. Okay? To specify the personal pronoun. Okay? But you can omit it and just simply say geld maakt niet gelukkig. Okay? Very good. Now here again, a switch. A switch, okay? Same word, different different grammar, okay? The rules apply to everyone. The rules apply to everyone. In Dutch, de regels, de rules, de regels gelden voor iedereen. Everyone, iedereen. De regels gelden voor iedereen. Very good. So it also applies to you. So it also applies to you. Okay? Het geldt dus ook voor jou. Het geldt dus ook voor jou. Okay? So what we see here is that in the first three examples, sentences, so to say, we have a noun, okay, geld, money. And in the last two phrases, we have a verb, okay, gelden, the infinitive. Very good. Very good, guys. We learned a lot of new words, new phrases, new sentences. I hope I helped you a little bit with the pronunciation. Please give me feedback if you think I should help you with something else as well. It's all very welcome. All right. Yeah, without further ado, I'd like to say thanks for watching and see you next time in Dutch. Bedankt voor het kijken en tot de volgende keer. Oké, doei doei!